Hey guys, welcome back to Lamilli Armory. Today we're going to be looking at the CVLIFE Multi-Reticle Green Dot Sight. Alright, so the Optic's going to come shipped in this black box. Inside we have some foam on top. Here's the CVLIFE Quick Release Red or Green Dot Sight and the user's manual. We have the catalog, specifications, the product structure, everything included in the packaging, how to install your battery, and how to install the product, your different illumination settings. Here's your battery life, how to switch your reticles, how to properly zero, your elevation and windage adjustments, your maintenance and care, also your troubleshooting, and your warranty. Lots of good information in the manual. Here's the Optic. Here's our tool. Also get a very nice lens cloth. And also a pair of AAA batteries. Alright you guys, let's take a closer look at the CVLIFE multiple reticle green dot sight. So here you can see that it does have a quick detach lever, which you can activate just by pressing this button here, and this will come off a Picatinny rail, and then once you have it mounted you can just switch this over, and then there is a tightening screw here on this end that you can use your provided tool to tighten. Make sure that it's snug. You do have these nice flip up caps, and there is the lens clarity, very clear. And you have the brightness adjusting here. So there are 9 different brightness adjustments. You have 7 for daytime and then 2 for the night vision. And going around on the right side, here is going to be your windage turret. And then up top you have your elevation. And you can actually use these caps to adjust the windage and elevation, which I actually like. So here, and you can hear the audible clicks there, up top. And then here is the battery compartment. So to install the batteries, just unscrew this. And it gives you the direction of which way the positive and negative should face. So we're going to use the provided AAA battery here. It's nice that they give you a spare. Alright, tighten that in here. And got that nice and snug. See the lights on. You can also manually turn it off by just holding the minus button for a few seconds, and then you see that the dot is turned off. Alright guys, now let's take a look at the different reticle options here. So you can change between 4 different reticles by using this knob here. So you can have just a 6 MOA dot, or you can have the bullseye or the crosshair, and then the crosshair with the dot, which is actually my favorite. A pro to this too is if you have astigmatism like I do, this function right here will actually eliminate that, make it look really clear. So let's take a look at the different reticles here. So here we have the crosshair with the dot, which is again my favorite. Then we have the crosshair, Then here we have the bullseye. And then here's the 6 MOA dot. You can see how clear that is. Very nice. There's also an auto brightness feature on this optic. The sensor is actually right on top here, so it's going to sense light. So if you're in low light conditions, it's going to lower the reticle brightness, and then if you're in bright conditions, it's going to increase the brightness setting, which is really unique. Another unique feature of this optic is it has motion awake, meaning if it doesn't detect any movement for 3 minutes, it will go into sleep mode. And then once you go to pick up your rifle or whatever you have this mounted on, it will turn on within milliseconds. So that's going to help with the overall battery life in this optic. So overall, you're going to get a feature-packed optic. You have the shake awake, you have the auto brightness setting, you have different reticles, you also have the quick detach, and also a really robust construction here. Enclosed emitters, meaning you won't have any dust or debris getting in the way of your reticle. Alright guys, so that was the CVLIFE multi-reticle green dot sight. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any comments or questions, please feel free to leave those down below, and we'll see you on the next one.